Hey guys, Pest and Lawn Ginja here, and this is What's Wrong with My Lawn? So I work for a local company and we do lawn assessments. And today I just kind of wanted to walk you through this lawn and kind of show you how I do these diagnosing. All right, so it looks like we've got a little bit of thinning out. You can see we're right in a canopy area. I'm going to go ahead and just come to a conclusion and say this is due to lack of sun. We've got a Kentucky bluegrass that's extremely sensitive to too much sun and also lack of sun. We turn the corner here and you can kind of see there is a ton of thatch. Now we had a long warm winter and this is kind of what happens. We get a little bit of die out. Now you see it kind of changes here and it comes into this really matted grass, and this ends up being snow mold and it has to be raked up, and eventually this snow mold is going to turn into a slime and it kills the area. And I've got a really good area coming up here that I'll give you a look, a real good close look. So it starts to mat down almost like a dog, and it really starts depleting the oxygen. Now getting close here, you can see it starts looking almost slimy. And when you get your hand in here and you pull on it, it just kind of gets really, really wet and kind of yucky. The only real thing you need to do on a curative measure on this is just rake it upwards. Now we want to get as much oxygen in as we can here to dry it out. It's a pretty simple process. We get this area right here and you can see it starts getting really slimy, and when I put my hand on it and I start pulling it up, it's just barren and it's really, really wet. And so we want to take a rake. You can do it with I wouldn't recommend a power rake at this point because you'll really just kill everything off. And the thing that really bothers me is Kentucky bluegrass is rhizomatous, which means that these tail clippings are growing underneath the ground. And you get these other tail clippings that form the new blades of grass, and you can see these are acting more like stolons as opposed to rhizomes, which is a problem. So my suggestion is going to be that they need to aerate the lawn and then perform an overseed to fix this. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys, I'm not doing a really heavy rake on this snow mold. I just want to get the loose stuff up, and I want to make sure that it can breathe. And I am going to pull out some of it, but the point of this is to just pull it upward so it can breathe. But you'll notice just in this little area that I did, it's a pretty significant amount. If I get these off of the blades, you guys will see it's a pretty significant amount of grass. So just lightly rake it up. Well, as you can see, snow mold is no joke, and there's no magical potion to cure snow mold. It's just hard work. So get out there with your rakes, lightly and gently rake it up to the surface so you can get more oxygen and air into the soil. If you guys have any questions or concerns, hit me up in the comments below. Don't forget to like my channel and subscribe. Have a good day.